Where's your truck? Guys, we are here with my co-worker. And look at this trailer here. They drop again. Where's your truck? Where are you going? So after you deliver
here, waiting on paperwork.
Oh, you've been delivered here. Okay, my schedule here is 3:30.
Been here since Monday.
Yeah, good for you. Since Monday, I've been here since Saturday
Where?
in Mississauga. I have a load going to Regina, supposed to be, and it's cancelled. And then they asked me to do a little work here. Yeah, I can do it. Why not?
Gosh.
Big. Yeah,
All for here?
yeah. Where are you going after this?
Boucherville. Loblaws in Boucherville.
Boucherville.
Montreal.
Oh, okay. All right.
Come here to deliver 1 o'clock Tuesday morning, and there was a skid tipped a bit
Oh.
because loaded two high wind in the middle.
Oh, it's about
Not against the wall, so then you wouldn't take it. So I had to go to Montreal to TYT's yard.
Yeah.
We straightened it out,
Oh, this way.
brought it back, and didn't get an appointment till 10:30 this morning. Now everybody took it.
Let's see what's going on with this one. Why did they drop the trailer? Here guys ha, nalaglag na naman yung trailer nila rito. Yung driver, kaya hindi kasi sila nagtatagtis eh. Nasa gitna eh oh. Ngayon ko lang alam kasi nakahiga ako eh. What happened? Somebody drop a trailer? Airlines? Okay. Oh, okay. Nasa gitna eh. Nalaglag na sa gitna. Andun yung trailer niya, truck na. Andun na oh, nakahiga andun oh. Nakabalandra dito sa gitna ng ano eh, truck stop eh. Ay, truck stop. Dito sa dideliveran namin guys oh. Wala na paraan. Sa gitna talaga. Hindi pa nila alisin dyan. Kaya kailangan nyo talagang mag-tag test. Yan ang problema, hindi kayo nagta-tag test. That's the problem. They don't do tag test. Some driver don't do tag test. They don't do tag test when they hook the trailer, and they don't do tag test, and then that's what happened. They think it's all good.
I don't know where he come from. It's funny it happened right here, but that's the problem.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, we had to go stack some. Restack. This is what it looked like.
Which one?
This load.
Oh, it's leaning into the...
See, that's what it looked like. And they wouldn't do nothing with it.
Yeah, okay.
So when I get here, it looks like that.
Oh yeah, I saw it. It's
So
bad,
look
it's
how
bad.
far it would lean in
It's
from the
bad.
wall. And
Oh,
these,
it's probably the underneath is getting
Yeah.
leak, I guess.
and these skids here are bigger than these. So Jason and I unloaded them 4 skids, restacked them, but the damage was in the middle. They didn't even say a word here.
That's it. They took it. Okay.
I'm waiting on paperwork, and he didn't give me anything, didn't put any back in the trailer, so
Okay.
we'll see.
We'll see. Yeah, I have to check my phone if they call me because they are asking for. Yeah, they maybe are calling me for a door now.
Yeah, you better get there.
Okay, okay. See
What's
you.
going after this?
I have no idea yet. We'll see.
I got a load of cheese tomorrow in Montreal for Wednesday.
Okay. Take care. Do your tag test so that you don't drop your trailer. Do your tag test. Yes! Do your tag test so that you don't drop the trailer. Ay, nakita na naman kayo ni Tata. Ay, kita mo. Ah, nakabalan na sa gitna siya talaga guys. Ewan ko nga ba. Ewan ko sa kanila bakit ayaw nila mag-tag test. Ibang company. Kasi kala nila okay na, hindi eh. Ilan ng ano guys ang nawi-witnessan natin na nalalaglag ang trailer. Andun yung driver guys, nandun sa gilid. Ay tao. Kaya nahihirapan ng makadaan dito yung mga yan. Kasi nasa gitna eh. Siguro tumawag na sila ng mag-aayos dyan na rescuer. Hindi pakikialaman ng company na to yan. Hindi nila gagamitan ng ano yan, Hindi nila gagamitan ng ano yan? Yung tawag nito, yung shunter ano nila, truck nila, hindi. Walang pakialam ang Walmart pa naman eh. Walmart, nasa Walmart tayo eh. Walang pakialam yan. Alright guys, ayan. Ayun yung driver oh. Ganda ng pagkakaano niya oh. Ganda ng pagkakatayo niya dyan. Siya yung ano, Dream Big yung company. Ayan. Yan yung trailer niya. Ayan. Hintay lang ako. Alright guys, ayan yung ano, mayroon nang pumunta dyan para ayusin yata. Can you tell me what happened? So that I know next time what to avoid? Did he just duck the
I
dealer?
don't wanna how I can come again.
Okay. Airlines? That's the problem?
Yeah. Stuck the airline in it and it just stuck.
No, if you hook the trailer in there, you do the tactics first. You even the airline is not
No, I
good.
don't know what happened with that. But
Oh, okay.
something. Kinda time I put it.
Yun, tag-taste. Malaglag na naman yan. Pahala. Sabi, it's ano daw, yung airline daw. Di airline yan. What happened? What happened? So that I know what to avoid next time. Yes.
This?
Yeah. Oh, right in there.
Yeah.
And then you drop it.
No, it don't supposed to go there.
Oh.
Okay.
Don't forget to do your tag test. Oh. You forgot your. Nervyoso. Naglilik pa rin. Oh, inayos pa yung trinabaho na nga niya, inayos pa. Hey, good luck. Next time you do your tag test.
Thank you.
Okay.
So I'm coming inside for the paperwork.
Yeah. Salang-salang gupang yung mga truck at saka trailer.